If you've been into personal development for a while, I'm sure that you've heard many coaches, mentors, and gurus telling you about the importance of setting big and scary goals. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not always the best idea, and it's actually one of the reasons why many people get stuck. Hey, this is Tomas from okaysnotenough.com, helping you become the best version of yourself and create a more exciting and more fulfilling life. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to consider subscribing because I'm releasing weekly videos that will help you progress faster in life. Okay, let's just get one thing straight. If you don't figure out what you want in life and set it as a clearly defined goal, you will most likely be just drifting through in life and end up working really hard on someone else's goals. That's just how it works. Setting goals, it's a fundamental skill for personal growth and success. And if you're new to goal setting, then of course just go out there and learn how to do it, seek some guidance. And I can tell you this, there are as many different ways to do it as there are people teaching it. And that's okay. Just find and follow the system or the method that really resonates with you and that works for you. However, I've seen one kind of advice that, while meant well, usually backfires more often than it helps. And that's set big and scary goals. The idea behind that is to be brave and bold and aim for something outrageous. And it makes total sense because, hey, most people are playing it super safe in life. And I totally support aiming high because we're capable of so much more. However, there are a few ways how setting a big and scary goals can actually backfire. So here is the first way how big goals can backfire. Big goals are scary. The main reason why people are playing it safe in life is because they're scared. People are scared of unknown, new, of changes. So setting a goal that would freak you out probably won't help and will hardly encourage you to start working on it. The second way how setting big goals can backfire is that big goals can be extremely demotivating. Because when you set a goal that is outrageously big or high, then it will inevitably trigger a doubt about how will you be able to achieve that. So, for example, if you're overweight and you set a goal to run a marathon within a year, and the current situation is such that you can't even run 1 mile, sooner or later, this doubt will creep in about how will you be able to run 26 miles in a year? And you'll start feeling that it's a ridiculous goal. What's the point of trying? And it will demotivate you very quickly because the goal feels like it's totally unachievable. And the third way how big and scary goals can backfire is that big goals require enormous amount of patience and persistence. As you can imagine, achieving something extraordinary will require a lot of time. That's just the way it is. And a lot of time means a lot of patience. And that's something most people don't have. If you set a big and scary goal that will take 5 years to accomplish, then hey, good luck keeping yourself motivated the whole time. It will be extremely hard because we just love regular rewards. You can check with Mr. Pavlov's and his dogs. I hope that name rings a bell. So now, when I put you off from setting big and scary goals, you may be asking, so Thomas, so what's the right size of goals that I should set for myself? First of all, pay attention to how your goals make you feel. You need to find the right balance between motivation and inspiration. The goal should be big and audacious enough that you actually feel inspired by it. It should make you feel like, holy shit, that would be amazing to accomplish. But the goal needs to be realistic and achievable enough so you actually feel motivated to work on it. In other words, the prize should be exciting and it should be dangling just within reach. And one of the best ways to keep yourself motivated is to break your goal into tiny milestones that you can be achieving and accomplishing maybe every day or every week, because that will keep you motivated. And look, setting and pursuing your goals should be fun and exciting. Maybe not all the time, but definitely some of the time. And here is my last tip. Pick goals that will make you feel proud by even just working on them. So guys, that's it for today. And before you go, I have a question for you. What are some of your goals that you set for yourself? Leave me a comment in the comment section about your goals, and also consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Press the little subscribe button right there. I'm releasing weekly videos that will help you become the best version of yourself and create a more exciting and more fulfilling life. And as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate your attention, and I'll see you on the next video.